What's the meaning of corduroys? Corduroys. Corduroys.
Corduroys. Corduroys. Corduroys are a type of fabric that consists of vertical ridges or cords, often made from cotton. The cords give the fabric a distinctive texture and appearance. Corduroy pants and jackets were once associated with workwear and outdoors activities, but have since become a popular fashion choice. Corduroys are durable and warm, making them suitable for cooler weather. They come in various colors and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Overall, corduroys are a versatile and stylish choice for both casual and formal occasions.